Hello guys, I finally got my driver license and I want to share my experience how I did it, and you can do it also. So you can use your local driver license for 3 months in the Philippines. You can drive vehicles that are authorized by your local driver license. After 4 months you can convert your local driver license to the Philippines driver license. And if you want to ask what you should do 1 month between 3 months and 4 months, I can tell you only answer that I get from LTO. You need just wait 1 month. You can convert your driver license in LTO. LTO, it's a land transportational office. So you can just open Google Map and find closest to you LTO. First point, dress well. You showing by it that you respect government services, so you should wear shirt with long sleeve, trousers or jeans, shoes or sneakers. Second point, go to LTO. Better to go in the early morning, because sometimes there are a lot of people. It depends of your LTO, depends of your island, depends of your city, but in Dumaguete there are a lot of people, so if you're here you should go there before opening, maybe at 7, because it's open at 8 o'clock. Third point, you need to take field form. You can get it from LTO and fill it there. Fourth point is to buy medical certificate. It costs about $10 and you can do it just near your LTO. Fifth point, you should take your local driver license and also make a photocopy of it. Sixth point, you should take your original passport and make a photocopy of it. Seventh point, you should take with you ACR, it's Alien Certificate of Registration. You will get it from your immigration bureau after 2 months from arrival. Eighth point, you should take with you your rental contract to prove your address. Not in every LTO they require to have this contract, but just in case it's better for you to have it. 9th point, you should make a translation of your driver license if there are some words not in English. For example, on my driver license only 2 words in Russian and all other text translated in English, but driver license words, водительское удостоверение, in Russian only. So I had to go to Manila, to embassy, Russian embassy, and translate it and then come back. 10th point, you need to have a visa for 6 months. Not every immigration bureau can make extension for 6 months, but you can do it in Dumaguete, maybe in some other immigration bureau, but you should Google it or ask your immigration bureau in your city, because not everywhere you can do it. 11th point is pay fee. It's about $15, not so much, so you just pay it in your LTO. I also recommend you to take with you food, snacks, drinks, because if there will be a lot of people, you have to wait about 3, 4, 5 hours there inside and waiting when officer will call your name. You will make photo in your LTO, so no need to take it with you before. After you bring all these documents to LTO, they will give you temporary driver license. You can drive your vehicle with it for about months until you will get your plastic card driver license. You can drive 5 years with this driver license in the Philippines. What else about driving in the Philippines? You can buy a car or bike, scooter without driver license, but you cannot drive it immediately after buying, because you need to wait your registration plate. And in Dumaguete, in Honda store, I had to wait about 3 months, so you cannot drive your motorbike after buying it in official Honda store. If you want to buy a used car or motorbike, scooter, you can buy it on Facebook Marketplace. It's the best platform where you can do it. Pay attention on the official dealers, available repair parts and services on your island, because not everywhere you can fix, for example, BMW or Mercedes. So you need to make a research before buy an expensive car or bike. If you have some troubles with driver license, you can go to another city and try to another LTO. You can find a fixer or helper. It's not legal here, but they exist. It's local people who have connections in LTO, and you should pay them from $100 to $300. And I heard about cases when they actually helped foreigners. But keep in mind that it's not legal here. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you, and good luck with your driver license.
Oh, you're talking to them? You're talking to them?
I'm talking to phone, and then I will edit and post it.
I'm also a subscriber.
Yeah, thank you.